Hello friends, this is your friend Sabine. So today you are going to see how to breed guppy fish for your gardens. You can keep fishes in your garden which may give an additive attractive to your garden, and also the indoor plants which you keep that will have a very risk of having the mosquito larvae. So if you keep an indoor plants, that is water lily or any indoor plants, so it is a chance of mosquito larvae on that water. So in order to avoid these small fishes can be put into those pots so that it will eat the larvae. It is an additional advantage of keeping fishes, and also you can keep for decorative purposes also in your garden. So today there are in this video you can see lot of Palgini garden aquariums. So I am going to show in this video. So this is the which you can see is the molly fish, and here you can see guppy fishes and also koi fishes which can be used in the garden for landscape garden, also balcony garden, and even in your terrace garden, whatever it may be. Here today you are going to see the breeding of the guppy fish, which is very easy for the beginners. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. Here you see the male guppy fish, which is very much attractive when compared to the female fish. So it is very brisk and active. Here you can see it is also very attractive to look. It has very bright colors. Here you can see the female, it is not much attractive and its fins are less attractive colors. Okay, that is the difference you can see between male and female, and probably female will be little larger in size when compared to male. So here I am feeding the fishes, that is very important for breeding. So you should feed healthy fishes. See here the fishes are eating the food. You can give any type of food. Here I am giving meat to the fish. Sometimes you can give the egg yolk also. It is a very good, rich in protein. And also that bloodworms you can get in the market, bloodworms you can give. Those food rich in proteins you can give for feeding, so that it can lay eggs very soon. Probably guppy fish mostly lay eggs during the summer season. The breeding season is summer, so you try to make breed during the summer season. It is very easy for you. And also the fish food which you give must be rich in protein. I have already said you can give even the fish food which is available in market, and also the shrimps. Shrimps is also very good source of protein for the fish. During the breedings you should separate the male fish, female fish, healthy male fish and female fish separately, so that it mates each other. Okay, that is very important. Then when you feel that the fish is pregnant, that is the fish is small fish eggs are present or pregnant, you can find it very easily by seeing the female fish. I will show you in this video how to find the fish. Okay, so it's very important to feed the fish with healthy protein rich food. Here you can see the female fish, two lines you can see on the top which shows that it has eggs. Okay, in its belly it has eggs. So that is the thing you can find. Then you can separate it. You can see the belly which is very enlarged, it is pregnant. It is almost, it's very near to lay the eggs. So this you can see in any type of fishes, not only in guppy, even molly fish you can see this. So here you can see the small kids of the fish, small fishes. Okay, this is 1 week old fish. So it is very small and tiny. So this is the nearly 3 weeks old. So you can see the fish tail. It is very active when compared to the first, isn't it? You can see it is very active. Next video you can see the fish which is nearly 1.5 months, 1 to 1.5 months old. So you can see a little you can figure out the tail. So it is little color also you can find out this 1 month old fish. So it is very active. So in this method you can breed the fish very easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this in your home for your beautiful garden, indoor garden as well as outdoor garden, landscape garden, any type of garden. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.